Paris, thank you. So today, Chief Judge Timothy Evans announced that his office's 2,600 employees will have to be vaccinated to return to work with limited exceptions. Now, that includes judges and workers at the Cook County Juvenile Detention Center. This after the chief judge was criticized for previously not mandating the vaccine for all employees. The move comes as the county has seen a spike in cases, including among Cook County jail detainees, with the most recorded cases at the jail since mid-December 2020. That's before vaccines were made widely available. Joining us to talk about this decision from the chief judge is Amanda Klonsky, research and policy fellow at the UCLA Law COVID Behind Bars Data Project and a member of the Cook County Juvenile Detention Center's advisory board. We should also say we did invite Chief Judge Timothy Evans to join us this evening. He was unavailable, but his office did provide a statement, which we'll get to. Amanda, thank you for joining us. Now, that statement from Chief Judge Evans, it says, quote, "This step is being taken to ensure the safest possible workplace for our employees and to protect employees of our justice partners, court services patrons, residents of the Juvenile Temporary Detention Center, and the general public." Amanda, what is your reaction to this change?
Well, this is welcome news. It's been a grim and scary Christmas holiday for youth detained in the Cook County Juvenile Detention Center, where COVID numbers are on the rise. At least 6 detained children and 7 detention center staff, along with a growing number of court and probation staff, including 2 judges and 37 employees, have now tested positive for COVID. But as you mentioned, there was some good news tonight. Just a few days after a WBEZ story on the lack of a COVID vaccine mandate at the Cook County courts, Chief Judge Evans has now announced that judges and other court employees must get their first dose of the COVID vaccine within 21 days. Of course, it's been more than 8 months since they could become vaccinated.
And to that point, Amanda, so unvaccinated employees, you just said they have to comply with the mandate within 21 days. We know that Omicron is surging right now. Are you still concerned about a big spike in cases?
Of course we are. This surge could have been and was correctly anticipated by public health experts. We knew this was going to happen. We're seeing a major surge in the Cook County Jail, in the Illinois Department of Corrections, and across the system. So it's baffling to me that there was no mandate until tonight. And of course, that we're postponing the mandate for 21 days, that people don't even have to have they don't have to complete the vaccine series within 21 days. They have to get their first dose within the next 21 days. But still, this is major progress. This is an important step forward, and it will protect public health, and we hope will save some lives. Don't forget, the main threat to the health and safety of people who work in jails, prisons, and detention centers at this time is COVID. So this step is for the protection of people who work in these institutions, as well as for children who are detained there.
Now, as you also mentioned, the Juvenile Detention Center has had 7 residents test positive and 5 employees test positive. That's just since yesterday. Give us a sense of the mental and physical effect of COVID for young people who are in the Juvenile Detention Center.
So this failure to get the staff of the detention center vaccinated has real implications for detained youth. Imagine how scary it is to be a 12 or 13-year-old child in jail over the holidays, sleeping on a 1-inch vinyl mattress with no sheet and no pillow, away from your parents or anybody who knows and cares about you, often getting no visitors at all, and now you're terrified of getting sick all by yourself. Many of the about 157 youth in detention tonight are there simply because they have no other place to go. They're awaiting placement in a shelter or a foster placement. And people who work in the detention center are charged with protecting public safety and caring for Cook County's most vulnerable children. And instead, those who have refused to get the vaccine are now endangering all of us. Don't forget, people come and go from the juvenile detention center every day. These staff carry the virus with them into the detention center where it quickly spreads, and then they bring it back home again to their families and their communities. Often, Chicago's communities that are already hardest hit by the pandemic.
And Winnow, the county jail is seeing a spike right now as well, with 307 detainees testing positive and 207 staff members testing positive. Now, we should know the sheriff's office says that 63% of those positive detainees, they tested positive at admission, indicating that they contracted it in the community before being admitted to the jail. But in a statement, we also know that the sheriff's office says, quote, as a part of the office's comprehensive prevention efforts, vaccination is repeatedly offered and encouraged among staff and those ordered to custody. As of today, more than 78% of Cook County Sheriff's staff and 67% of eligible individuals in custody have received the vaccine. Amanda, what is your reaction to how the jail has handled the COVID pandemic?
Look, with the rapid spread of Omicron variant, jails are once again the sites of major outbreaks across the United States. We know that jails in Illinois and across the United States are overcrowded, they're unsanitary, they're poorly ventilated. You have people living double bunked in 6 by 6 foot cells or large bunk rooms with hundreds of people sharing a bathroom. And in those crowded conditions, social distancing is all but impossible. Those conditions are inhumane right now. We have created taxpayer-funded disease incubators, intensifying the spread of COVID in our communities.
Okay, so it sounds like you'd like to hear a lot more being done in that case, but that is where we'll have to leave it tonight. Amanda Klonsky, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.